guys, I'm so excited today because it's our summer advent trip with Green Circle Realty. This is my second year experience in this, kaya mas lalo akong excited. Tara na guys, andito na ang bus and we're heading to Batangas for amazing getaway at Palm Beach Resort. Pagdating pa lang namin, nag-breakfast snacks na agad kami dahil kailangan na naming mag-practice para sa cheering entry ng aming team. We are Team Slytherin at hoping na mayuwi ang panalo. Ayan, sabak agad sa games at walang luck magpatalo. Pagkatapos ng friendly competition, ayan, check-in time na para makarest naman ng konti para sa susunod na mga ganap. Ganda ng room namin guys at ang ganda ng view dito from the veranda. Kita mo na agad ang dagat. Ayan, ready na ulit for another ganap. Pictorial time now with the team at kasama ang buong Green Circle teams. Ayan, patapos na ang pictorial. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang special ng summer outing natin ngayon dahil isi-celebrate natin ang 20 years ng Green Circle Realty. Kaya naman, may pa-special lighting ceremony tayo at Thanksgiving celebration na rin bilang pasasalamat sa successful na 20 years journey ng ating company. After that, dinner time na rin. Maraming salamat sa sumptuous meal na inihanda para sa amin. Mas naging special pa ang gabing ito dahil celebration month din ang ating mahal na Madam Helen. Mas lalong naging masayang gabi dahil dalawa sa ating team members ang naging contenders for Best Summer Attire. Si Miss Leslie at si Miss Jenny. Congratulations guys! Tapos na activities, kaya time to chill, unwind, and dance the night away. Good morning! Breakfast time na muna para may energy sa remaining activities natin for today. Swimming time na, bonding moments, tawanan, at syempre, pictorial time with the team. Aura-aura muna habang may time bago sumabak sa banana boat adventure. Yahoo!
This would further inspire us to become better salespreneurs, negosyante of Green Circle Realty.
Mas naging meaningful pa ito dahil meron kaming inspiring message mula sa ating pambansang negosyante si Sir Billy. Another pictorial session with our beautiful flowery theme dresses. Thank you for watching guys. This is me, Yanni. Bye!